Welcome to another episode of Boxing with Paul. And today, I'm very excited to bring you the Apple EarPods, this time around the ones with the auxiliary jack. Let's take a look at it. That's right, you read that correctly. It's not a typo or anything like that. We're actually looking at the Apple EarPods, the ones that released all the way back in September 12th of 2012. It's been 11 years since these have released. You can currently find these headphones on Amazon for only $17.99, so $1 less than what Apple has them for. If we look at the rear, there is a easy pull tap green arrow that will allow you to remove the rest of the packaging and will make it for a much easier opening, like so. And then once we have that open, we could just go ahead and slide the EarPods out of the box. And I'm always a fan of Apple's packaging, as it's always earth friendly, especially after they stop including chargers in the boxes, since they said that, it's because of an earth friendly reason and yada yada. But again, usually very nice minimal packaging that is supposed to be earth friendly. And in the box, all we get is, again, more earth friendly packaging. But basically, you get the warranty information as well as a quick start guide in the box. But they're very hefty, very thick pieces of literature for a pair of headphones, if you ask me. The Apple EarPods themselves are the same design that you've come to know and love from all the way back in 2012. So again, well over 11 years from their release. But this is what your Apple EarPods are going to look like. We're going to feature in-ear controls for volume up, volume down, as well as a play pause. They're going to double as forward skip, backward skip, and also they're going to allow you to end and receive phone calls, as this features an in-ear microphone that actually holds up all the way until today. After comparing AirPods Pro with your wired headphones, I've come to the conclusion they're both very well sounding pieces of technology, right? However, where your AirPods Pro are definitely going to come in and crush these is in portability, in functionality, and in ease of use, right? Not only are these wireless, they're a lot easier to use with the majority of your iOS devices, and not only iOS devices, you can pair them to Bluetooth devices, right? However, there's something to be said about wired headphones. These just sound alive. There's a certain je ne sais quoi. Okay, there's a spark, there's a shimmer, there's a shine. There's just something. There's a je ne sais quoi. There's a certain something out of wired headphones that you will never, ever in a million years be able to recreate out of wireless Bluetooth headphones. You won't. You just won't. There's a reason why headphones stay around and why headphones stay relevant. Headphones that came out 40, 30, 50 years ago are still relevant in today's landscape, because audio quality is very different than video quality. Go ahead and look up Dan Comet's video. He's going to go ahead and explain it a little bit better than I will. And go to them in the comments. What are your thoughts? Do you disagree with me on this? I mean, I'm willing to fight you and I'm willing to die on this hill. But as always, thanks for watching.